How to add a cryptocurrency wallet on 1xBet. First of all, open the official 1xBet app and log into your account. Next, go to the menu section and tap on Settings at the top right corner. Then select Top Up Account. From the list of available methods, select cryptocurrency. Here you will find several options such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Toncoin, and more. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to link. You will be asked to enter your wallet address for the selected currency. Make sure the wallet address is correct and belongs to you. Double check it before saving to avoid any transfer errors. Once you have entered your wallet address, tap on Confirm. The system will store the address for future deposits or withdrawals. Some cryptocurrencies might require additional steps like confirmation emails or verification, so follow any prompts if shown. And that's it. Now you know how to add a cryptocurrency wallet on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.